Guys, I got a 2008 Cadillac SRX 3.6 liter. I have the exhaust and intake camshaft position sensor issue with all the misfire 1 to 6. So anyway, this one here was stored in here for no start. Can you crank it for me? Go ahead, just crank it. Battery is dead now. Anyway, this one here is cranking earlier. My technician in here sprayed some fuel just to see if this one here is gonna, start. It's actually wanted to start actually earlier, right?
Yeah.
Right. So anyway, we look underneath because we found an oil leak right there. And as my technician is looking underneath, he asked me, he says, "What is this piece?" I'm like, "Oh, okay. Let's find out." It's a fucking piston. It's a broken piston out from the engine. And I'm not sure how did this happen. But this is fucking crazy. Crazy. It all melted everything there. I'm not sure if I'll be able to capture the right there. The hole in the block. Oh man, I'm just surprised that this one here was cranking and it actually wanted to start. So anyway, 2008 Cadillac SRX blown engine.